Lavender oil, the only essential oil you'll need. Lavender Oil Benefits. It helps promote hair growth. It's antimicrobial. It may help prevent or kill head lice. It may help curb skin inflammation. It has a calming effect and divine fragrance. Now Foods, Essential Oils, Lavender Review. Description: 100% pure. Lavandula Officinalis. Purity tested, quality assured. Aroma, floral. Uses: soothing, normalizing, balancing. Extraction method: steam distilled from fresh flowering tops. Suggested use: headache ease blend. Add 3 drops each of lavender oil, peppermint oil and chamomile oil to a diffuser and enjoy. For aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with the carrier oils such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Warnings: natural essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with care. Caution: keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If pregnant or lactating, consult your healthcare practitioner before using. Not for internal use. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.